how to show and display FPS Surface with watch GPU on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. Now scroll down to the bottom, then tap on developer options. Next, we scroll down, and in here you want to tap on GPUWatch. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on. So here we go down, and then tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Make sure you have added in the FPS Surface widget. If it's not in here, you can tap on the add button, then tap on custom widget, and then choose FPS Surface, then tap on OK. And that's it. So it should be added. If it's already added, it will not add it again. And then tap on the home button, and here you can see the FPS Surface widget displaying your frame rate on the screen. Now the FPS Surface in GPUWatch refers to the frames per second that are being rendered for the surface that is currently being displayed on the screen. So here I will open up the game, and so it will display the FPS relating to what is running on the screen from this game right here, Fortnite. So this measurement provides a more accurate representation of the actual rendering performance, as it takes into account factors like surface composition and animation. So turn it on, and after you're finished, you can switch it off from settings. So we can turn off GPUWatch to turn it off from your screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.